Hi, this is a tutorial for the Departmental Grade Distribution tool in Argos. The Departmental Grade Distribution Report allows you to gather data on success rates by course, delivery method, and by section. A good bit of this report has been replaced by the ATD Data Analysis Dashboard found in MyPellissippi. There may be times, however, when looking at overall success rates may be useful. The Departmental Grade Distribution tool is located in the Academics folder, in the Program Coordinator subfolder, and then in the Departmental Grade Distribution subfolder. Clicking on the report will bring up the dashboard. You will need to select the PROD ADM connection. The search options are term and department. Once both are selected, the grade distributions will be auto-generated in the boxes below. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will look at the Fall 2013 term in the NBS department. The upper data box contains success rates by course section. The section ID is listed along with the instructor, delivery method, number of students earning each letter grade, and other enrollment information. The final column displays the success rate for each individual section. Because the section information is listed, it would be possible to use these results to determine success rates by campus or by time of day. Correlating those variables, however, would require additional data not available in this report. The lower box contains the success rates by course. The data for each course are separated out by delivery method. This would allow us to quickly compare success rates of an online class with its on-ground counterpart. The ATD Data Analysis Dashboard, launched in 2019, is capable of providing much of this information directly while also allowing us to explore equity factors. So this report has lost most of its value. The only remaining advantages over the ATD Data Analysis Dashboard are that this report allows you to obtain data prior to spring 2017 and that the results are able to be downloaded as a CSV file. I hope you're able to find this useful.